Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at how an opportunity is created within KEBS. Once the user navigates to the Opportunities application, he or she can click on the Global Create button and select the New Opportunity option under Sales category. The Create Opportunity page is displayed. The user can create an opportunity from a lead which will have certain pre-filled information, or can create the opportunity from scratch. Once selected, the creation form appears. In this section, the user can link an existing account to this opportunity, fill the source details, set the sales status, fill the start date and end date for the efforts for the opportunity, and finally fill in the probability of conversion of this opportunity, and navigate to the next section once all the mandatory fields are filled. In the next section, the user can assign stakeholders for the opportunity. Once done, the user can move to the next section. In this section, the user can enter the details about the opportunity value and can specify the split-ups of the value between partners, while the gross margin is auto-filled. Once done, the user can navigate to the next section and choose the line of businesses and the modules offered. These selections will later be reflected within the view hierarchy section of the opportunity, and the opportunity value is equally split up between the lines of businesses selected. Finally, the user can adapt a template of actions to be done within the opportunity. The process of uploading a template will be covered in another tutorial. Once all the details are filled, the user can submit the form and the opportunity is created successfully. Thank you for watching.